Hey guys, and welcome to Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below because there's going to be a lot of videos coming to this channel. There's already a bunch right now, but there's definitely going to be a lot more to come. I have all kinds of crazy awesome videos coming, and in today's video we're going to be checking out this brand new RLC car. This literally just came in, so it's actually a 2022 selection series. So this was one that was actually voted on back in 2022, and then they made it to the color that it was voted. And here it is. It is a 1969 Chevy Camaro SS, and obviously you can see that the hood is open and it has like that beautiful orange paint. But what it also has, I don't know if you can kind of see it there, is kind of ghost flames down the side. So they have it where it's like a slightly different shade of orange. Maybe you can see it a little bit better on with the glare. There we go. You can probably see it a little bit better there. But this car looks really cool in the way that orange kind of reflects like a reddish orange color. This thing looks absolutely amazing. There's the rest of the back of the card there. But you can kind of see it better there in the picture up top. But I think this thing looks absolutely incredible. You can kind of see in the engine bay a little bit. The way the plastic is a little hard to see. But really nice tires on this as well. The rims are like nice chrome rims. The tires say Goodyear on the side. But Hot Wheels did an amazing job with this. And for all those people that voted on this car, this is not exactly what I was hoping for. They usually come out with a bunch of different cars. You pick the car, then you pick the color, and pick the wheels. Well, this is obviously what the majority wanted. So to everybody who voted for this exact spec, well, there you go. You got the exact car that you're loving. But even though I'm not a huge fan of this, I still think it came out really nice. And let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this car. Like, it is a really cool car. And then you see the selection series right there, like that chrome. It's not a numbered car, which is perfectly fine, but it's still a really beautiful casting. And for all the people that love Camaros, like, this car is really nice. Has that all black interior. And I'm trying to see if there's any other like little hidden features here. But okay, so the license plate is BURNT, so burnt. So I think this is a burnt orange. So it's actually kind of cool that that's what they made the license plate number. So that's actually really impressive. But let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this awesome RLC selections car. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. If you haven't already subscribed, like as you can see right there, the Amazon black boxes, I order a lot of these, and I also do case unboxings where I get an entire case of Hot Wheels, and then I unbox those here on the channel. So definitely subscribe, check out all those videos when they come out. Also, there's a Hot Wheels Case H coming soon, and I also have quite a few Case H of Amazon black boxes as well. So a lot more videos to come, and so many more that are already like planned, like way out. And every time brand new Hot Wheels like this come out, I'm definitely going to be picking these up to show you guys. But if you guys like the video, hit that like button down below, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.